Hello, today we'll talk about how can ChatGPT help you as a Unity developer. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a large collection of data. It is designed to understand and generate natural language responses to a wide variety of queries and tasks. To get started, you can register and log in using the link. I'll put the link in the description. It's basically chat.openai.com. And after you log in, you could just ask the question in plain English. And as a Unity developer, it can assist you in several ways, including generating ideas. If you're looking for ideas for your Unity game or need help brainstorming games mechanics, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas based on your requirements. Generating code. ChatGPT can provide code based on your requirements. The more clear and more detailed your description is, the more likely ChatGPT will provide the code you need. Troubleshooting and debugging. If you encounter errors or bugs in your Unity project or code, ChatGPT can help troubleshoot the problem. You can provide ChatGPT with the error message or a description of the issue, and it will provide you with the possible solutions or workarounds. Learning resources. If you're new to Unity or looking to expand your knowledge, ChatGPT can recommend learning resources such as tutorials, courses, or documentations based on what you're looking to learn. Assets recommendations. If you're looking for assets such as 3D models, textures, or sound effects for your Unity project, ChatGPT can recommend suitable assets based on your requirements. Best practices. ChatGPT can provide you with the best practices for Unity development. You could ask for guidance on topics such as project organization, code standards, performance optimization, and more. Collaboration. If you're working on a Unity project with a team, ChatGPT can help facilitate collaboration by providing suggestions for tools and workflows to improve team communications and productivities. And last, get creative. ChatGPT can provide good solutions to most of your questions as long as you provide clear and detailed descriptions to the problem. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications button to help me make more videos like this.